Hello, I believe we are live. I just have to check on a couple things before we get going. Welcome. Let a few of you roll in here and we will get going in a minute or so. So let me just make sure that I'm live here and I can see your comments. Okay. Let me know that you're here. I did this one on a whim. We tried to do some of these calls at 1 o'clock on Thursdays. I do about 2 per month now. We used to do it every week, but it became a lot. So I aim at about 2 per month. And this was just kind of a fun one because I'm loving the results with this new software. And when I find things like this, I want to share them with you. So welcome, welcome. I am here today, even though I have a child upstairs very sick, and I'm hoping it doesn't end up to be me. Just found out this morning that my 22-year-old son is positive with COVID. So not fun, and we're gonna go get tested later today. So pray for me, cross your fingers, because I hope I don't have it too. I'm feeling totally fine at the moment, but it can onset quick, and that's what happened to him. So anyway, yeah, we have the COVID household the next 10 days. So as long as I do well, I'm stuck in the house. So I will be here for you. All right, we're going to talk about ClipScribe. That's what this software is called. I love this software, and I'm going to show you why. The results tell it all. If you saw in the event what I told you about the results with conversion for the ads, it's amazing. So one of the variables that I always look at for my for the data for ads is click-through rate. So click-through rate is super important. Like I kind of know if my ad's working or not working based on the click-through rate. And the CTR is what it's called for short. CTR should be 1% or higher. But what's happened with this video is that this video software has brought it so that 1%, we are at, every single video I put out there is at 2, 3, 4, 5, and one of ours is even at 6% conversion rate. So I think you'll kind of understand why when I show you a example of it. Hello, Adefine. Anybody else that's on, and let me know that you're here. And we will keep going on the talk of the videos. Now you can use these in your social media organically. You can use this for stories, and you can also use it on YouTube, and you can use it for your ads. So there's just a lot of uses for it. And it's just really the hot thing right now. So let me show you an example. I'm going to share my screen. Let me make sure I want to pull up what I need to pull up first. Okay. So I'm going to show you. All right. Here we go. Okay, this is my ad that I currently have running. And this one happens to be getting a 2% click-through rate. This is my own ad. But like I said, some of my clients have been getting 3, 4, and one of them even has a 6% click-through rate, which is crazy. I don't see that very often with an ad. Typically like a video or a graphic, you know, we're happy at anything 1% or higher. So let me show you this video, and I'm just going to show you the look of it, and then we're going to go in and actually demo things for you. I don't need to show you the whole thing. You don't even need to hear the sound, but as you can see, how it works is you could put the title of what you're talking about across the top. It's a big banner, and then it actually does the captioning for you. So it puts the captions on for you. So nice to have that. So there's, as you can see, and then you can fix the captions too. So that's kind of how it looks. I did this one with the color of my branding. So you can change it out to any colors, any fonts that you want. So let's go in and show you an example of what it is. Now, I am an affiliate of this. So what I want to do is, hang on one second. I'm going to drop my link. I do have a link. Now, does it matter? Oh, hey, Jack, welcome. So it doesn't matter if you do decide to get this software for some reason or another, you know, if you do like it, I'd love it if you'd use my link, but you do not have to. Like, that's not why I'm here. But I am an affiliate. I do believe if I like the products and they have an affiliate program, then I become an affiliate. So I'm going to drop that in the comments. I will also put it up at change out the top part after the fact. But let's go ahead and show you this. Jack, you're coming in late. You said you missed what it's called. We're just talking about a new software that I'm using that has really got some really, really good results. It's called ClipScribe, and it's got great results for the ads, but it also, we're using this for my own, all my stuff. Like now we moved all the content that were, all the videos, I do videos every single week, and we're using this for it. And the reason it's the meme style is still really popular, but you're gonna grab people's attention more when it says what it is at the top. You know, it says exactly what we're talking about. So it will grab the people that are interested and the other ones will just move on, which is great because it will help you pay less for your ads and help if you're using for your advertising. The other thing is it captions on the bottom. So I'm going to show you, I have a video that I put into my folder and it takes a while. So I don't know if that doesn't work. I just went ahead and did a brand new video and there it is. So I clicked on the link here, selected the video. Now, how did I shoot it? I did it horizontally. I prefer the horizontal. I had a hard time. There was something up with the vertical. And submit. Now what it has to do is it has to load in that video. So that might take a bit, but what I can do in the meantime, instead of, see, you can see I have a whole bunch in here for clients and my own business. But instead what we can do is I think we can edit this video. So let's just do this one. And I'm going to edit it. So now once that loaded, then I can go ahead and do what I need to do to edit the video. But I'm just going to go ahead and edit an old one so that you can see how it works. Then in here, I have the title of what it is, and then here's the little icon to edit. Otherwise, what's going to happen is it pops up at the bottom. I think it was where I hit the plus sign and you'll be able to edit there. My computer's running really hard right now. I think I'm doing too much on it, but that's okay. Then what we did was we picked a template that we liked based on the brand, my branding. And then as you can see, this is the headline here, but then over here, there is where I can change it. So I can change out the wording here. See, so if I put 1, 2, 3, there's the 1, 2, 3 on the left. And then we have a subtitle on it. Oh, actually I didn't do a subtitle. I did it as just a next line. So you can see right here, that's the next line. We can edit the size. There's the sizing, there's the font, and then there's all the different colors, and you can put in your own brand colors too. The bar design, you can change the bar design as needed. So if we wanted to, they have backgrounds too. So like add a new background, I can upload the background. So what if I wanted it to be my own brand? I could do that. Or what if I just want to put building? I don't know. I don't know what they have in there. Well, they didn't have any stock backgrounds. So you can upload your own, or you could put stock, or you could just go with the flat. And that's kind of what I did. So that's basically all I did was the flat, but you can pick any number of these if you want to, and they have tons of them. Okay, now I don't know how to get out of here. Oh, my picture's over. I'm moving my picture over. Okay, so now we have still this. Now we have all the different things that we can do. We could do video position, because if it didn't fit right, you can go like this or out. So see how we can position the video differently and make it fit. And then you can, the subtitle is the design is this bottom that goes across the bottom. And how you can see that, the closed captioning, they do it for you, but I can't say it's always perfect. No, closed captioning is. So what we can do is we hit the CC, and then you can go in and edit the words there. Just like that. Anywhere in there. Once you know you have that, the other thing that I always do, because, oops, not that, I don't do that, but I guess if you wanted to turn it sideways, you could. That's not my purpose though. Let's get that back. Okay, what in the world? One notch, come on. Doesn't want to, I don't even care. Okay, I would not put that out there, but whatever. So what you can do is you can take, see my look on my face, this is the hardest thing to do, is if you play the button, it'll play the video, and then you stop it.
Are you
until you get to the part that you like, you know, until you get to where you're like, okay, that's the clip I want. Okay. So you have to find the right clip, and not to say that that's the right clip. See, my eyes are closed. So there. Okay. Finally, I got something that's okay. So I'm going to go with that one, and I'm going to straighten this out, and we are good to go. So now that it's ready, this clip though isn't ready yet. You have to go over here to the right and hit that little icon, and then you have to reprocess so that you grab in the picture that you want. Super important. I learned that the hard way. I'm like, you know, how do I change that? And that makes a big difference too. So whatever clip you can grab in, any clip that you want from the video, you just, and then you save it there at that. So now that you have everything that you want, all you do is hit save and hit make, and then it creates your video and you download it. So that's it. That is ClipScribe. So let me go back to their main page and click on buy now, because I want to show you the cost. I have the just $8 a month one. I wanted to start low because I hadn't tried it before. So we always want to check things out, and you know, you don't know if you like it or not. I probably will end up being a pro because I'm using it for clients too. And maybe even be at the agency level. I doubt I need that, but sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But it is nice to have the options. My videos are all under a minute, so they're very short and to the point. I typically try to stay under a minute. And that's your pricing, but you can do yearly or you can do monthly. I like it enough where I think I may jump right into the year and buy a whole year's worth, but bottom line is it's not very expensive at all as long as you're going to use it. So I highly recommend this. As you can see, we've done a few. Oh, so this is what happens after the video processes. So my video just processed. So now I can go onward is what it says. And then there it is in here. It's all ready to go. And then there you can see my other old past ones too. But really, really cool way to do videos and to edit the videos. The other thing I did not show you, if I click on this one, we didn't start from scratch, we edited a video. So if you start from scratch, look at what you can do. So you have all these different options that you can do. And so if you want it for, let's see here. Yeah, they don't have a YouTube option. That's the YouTube option. So you can do it for YouTube. If you want to do it for IGTV, like this one actually ended up being, I don't think it's 3 minutes. I think it's 1:30, but it's over that minute mark to do a square option for the Instagram. So we'll probably do 2 of them. And then I typically just pick this one because it's my pink colors already and it works. But You can take any of them. And like I said, you can take the one you like, change out the fonts, change out the different things that you need to. And you can pick a template or you can start a new design. But look at all these different options. The one that I showed you is just the basic right here. So that works on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So you could put it out to all those. And you will be seeing this in the future in the group. We're going to be putting out the videos. Our goal with this group is to put out the videos earlier than my other social media networks. So you guys get the videos first for being part of the community. So you'll be seeing all, this style here in the future. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing. Any questions at all with that? Like I said, I dropped my affiliate link for ClipScribe in the comments below. I will also add it to the top. Try it. I mean, it's $8 to test it out. That's just all I did. I tested it out and I used it for some advertising. And my whoever's on late, if you're seeing this and you didn't catch the beginning, the click-through rate like over doubled because of using this formatting of video. The other thing that I want to mention is a friend of mine who I help with her Facebook ads, she just launched a video and the video did better than the graphics. It did very well, but she didn't put closed captioning on it. She didn't put the wording going across. And I noticed her click-through rate was not very good. And I know if she had used something like ClipScribe, it would have gone way up. So that's just my recommendation. If you know, but there's probably other softwares out there, but this one's just very, very simple to use. And I don't find the cost to be, anything crazy or anything. All right. Any other questions? Connie says, very cool. Jack, awesome. Thanks. Yes, an affiliate link is great. Might as well share the wealth. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of how I look at it. I refer a lot of things and I don't typically, even mention my affiliate or anything like that, but thought I would. So if you guys like it, definitely go for it, test it out, and let me know how you like it. If you do, let me know. All right, I don't see any other questions, so we will cut it off at there. And I am off to get a COVID test. Yay, because my son has COVID. So I feel fine and hopefully it stays that way. But we, just got to do the deal. So, all right, thanks. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.